Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing the recipe of khichdi. Khichdi is a comfort food for many. To make khichdi, take equal quantity of rice and moong dal. Rinse and soak it in water for 15 minutes. The list of the ingredients that you need is given in the description box below. Do check it out. The vegetables that I have used are onion, beans, carrot and capsicum. Take a pressure pan, add oil to it, put cumin, green chilli and ginger. I have added grated ginger to it. It gives a good taste. After a few seconds, add the onion to it and saute. In the meantime, wash the vegetables and keep them ready. Add beans and then carrot. Beans is added. And then carrot. Saute again. Put turmeric powder and asafoetida. Now remove the water from the rice and lentil mix and add it. Saute it for some time. Put 6 cups of water. The water should be taken in the same cup in which you have measured the rice and lentil. Add salt and give a mix. Close the lid and put the whistle. Allowed to cook it for 2 whistles. In the meantime, we will make the tempering. Take another pan, add ghee to it. Now I am adding capsicum pieces here. Saute it for some time. Put cashew pieces. And some chilli powder. After putting the chilli powder, do not heat it for a long time. Now remove the lid of the pressure should release by itself. Give a gentle mix. Put pepper powder and garam masala to it. Half a teaspoon of garam masala and some pepper powder, and finally the tempering which you have made. Khichdi is ready to serve. Serve it hot with some gojju or pickle. Thank you for watching.